Hello guys! We are going to a car wash today. This will be at number 1 car wash on Grant Road here in Tucson. It's kind of dirty there. Then again, we're kind of close to the south side of the town. My car is so huge, I have to back it up. Oh, because it's going to take some maneuvering, guys. I have to figure out how I am going to maneuver my car. This is going to take some time because my car is so big and that thing is so small. Bill changer. I kind of hope they take cards at this car wash. There we go. Had to maneuver my car. All right. So there's only one person here. Other than that, it's empty. Welcome to the number 1 new Express Automatic. They did change it recently. It's still a Ryko, but I think they did some modifications to it. I'm getting the $8 car wash so I can have a clean windshield.
You have selected the premium car wash. Please deposit $8. Please wait while your transaction is processed.
There's a car wash right there. Still processing.
Your purchase is complete. Please wait until the wash bay is empty.
Okay. We can go in now. Looks like that old traffic light thing does not work anymore. This is an older Ryko, but I believe they did some modifications to it. There we go. This is so cool. a spot free, then the dryers are going to probably come on now. I stretched a muscle in my arm just now. Dryer's not even moving inside. Wow, that was a quick dry. Well, it's sunny today, and this is the Arizona dry heat, so it should dry fast. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, especially you Ryko fans out there that love these awesome Rykos. And I'm going to stop the video after pulling into the wash bay. You can see the car wash there. I stretched my arm muscle when I was trying to film. Thank you for watching, and that will be it.